Come on!
I'm a terrible...
Marshal!
Why me?
How long you been working for the government, Marston?
I don't work for the government.
Well, I got a telegram from some federal clowns in Blackwater that says otherwise.
Are you some kind of vigilante?
You don't look like no government, boy.
I guess it's complicated. I came because it was made impossible for me not to.
You sure are a tight-lipped son of a bitch, mister.
I guess I am. I ain't gonna dig this hole no deeper.
Ain't you all proud and superior? Don't forget us more than we need you. Bill Williamson folded you up like an empty purse the last time, if I remember correctly.
Simmer down, Jonah.
Listen to your boss, Jonah. There's a good boy. Otherwise, I'll put a hole in your hillbilly head and watch your tiny brain drain out. Let's go.
I'll be honest with you, Marston. I ain't for all this government interference.
Believe me, Marshal, neither am I.
I try to keep the federal boys happy. I mean, we need all the help we can get. But what does a flannel-mouthed city boy who's never forked a bale of hay in his life know about a state like New Austin?
Nothing, I reckon.
All this manifest destiny hogwash, taming a wild land, bringing modernization and betterments to the West. We're nearly there. Keep your eyes out for the bollards. All right, leave the horses here and follow me. Head for the fort. Be ready, boys. We're probably going to be outnumbered. Let's see how many. If we can take the line, good. If not, smoke the sons of bitches. Look out! Run for guard! Gun him down! Stay with... Nice shot!
You trusted makes me sick!
You boys take the left fork. I'm going this way.
For Christ's sake. Follow me!
Nice of you to give an old man a hand. There's a couple of the rat bastards. That'll do it. Come on, let's keep moving.
Not supposed to die like this.
Come on. The deputies are making some ground over there.
Curious to see him. Come on.
You got one! Into that camp. Blast him, boy. My God. Come on! Let's get these sons of bitches! Tell the bollards to give themselves up, or we'll kill every last one of you! That bastard won't be rustling no more. Looks like that's all the sons of bitches. I'll head up the ridge to scout it out. See if there's any spare ammo in that camp.
Can I have this?
Let's go, Marston! We gotta keep moving! Let's go. Be careful. I think I spotted some snipers. God damn it! Take out those snipers, boy! Christ alive! I'm the last person you want to be pointing that at. You better surrender! Damn you! Look, there. This way! Get to the rest of the boys. Regroup.
What you got on you, friend?
This looks as good a spot as any. Gather around and listen up. All right, stealthy as you can, boys. Let's get as fast as we can.
Hey, this way!
Jesus wept! Get those thieving bastards! Good shooting, boy!
I'll kill the hell out of you!
There's one more for the vultures. Looks like the bollards won't be rustling again anytime soon. Quick, let's get those hostages free.
I doubt you'll be needing this.